We've got Matt and Trent here, and we are about to do the opening. I can't even, I'm too excited to even say it. So, Trent, what have we got here, guys? What are we opening?
We've got a new drum kit released by Yamaha Electronic Drums. First one in about 5 years.
You won't have seen these before, folks. Matt?
Yep.
That's the face of excitement. This is brand new stuff. This is exciting stuff out there, people. All right, we are going to do a quick cut here. We're going to do a time lapse of the full unboxing, and we're going to do a bit of a quick demo. Drum day here at Big Music. It's about time. All right. Experience the incredible sounds, response and feel of the new Yamaha DTX6 series drums. The DTX Pro is loaded with a host of modern and vintage drum and cymbal sounds recorded by top drummers in renowned studios. Instantly control the real ambience, compression and effects with onboard kit modifiers to shape your sound in real time, or connect via USB to use the free Rec and Share app to record your drumming performances, share them directly from your smart device. Equipped with Yamaha's exclusive 3-zone TCS snare pad, an upgraded cymbal set including a 13-inch vertical motion hi-hats with hi-hat stand included, and the new large diameter KP90 kick pad. The DTX series drums is the ideal combination of response, sound and value.